वेरी एनक्लेव इस्लामाबाद। मैं हूं मुमताज़ ख़ान। ये मेरा टीवी चैनल है ख़ान टीवी। वेरी एनक्लेव में इन्वेस्ट करें आप। Invest in Pakistan, your own country. My brothers, sisters who are living abroad, it's the best time to invest in Bahria Enclave in Pakistan. Your property will be safe and secure. The system is computerized. So those brothers and sisters living abroad, Europe, America, Canada, EU countries, or in Gulf, Dubai, UAE, Ras Al Khaimah, Jeddah, Riyadh, anywhere. Best time to invest in Pakistan. Please come, get a house on rent. I'll help you. A car on rent. Stay here for 15 days or for a month and select the position, the house you want to purchase, or a plot, or if you want to purchase a flat, or you want to purchase a shop. So you can get it, you can just, I'll help you out. You come here and purchase your property, make your future. Weather is very fine, it's cloudy. Look at the sky. Breeze is blowing. You can come out for the morning walk, evening walk. Best place for the pensioners, those who got retired, doing no more job or business. They can come here, they can enjoy. Footpaths are very wide. It's very clean, neat, organized. Best town planning. It's time to purchase property in Pakistan in Bahria Enclave. Invest in Pakistan. Invest in Bahria Enclave. And also recite this dua. This is a very good dua, very good prayer. Rabbi inni maghlubun fantasir. Oh Allah, I am helpless, and you are the one who can help me. Help me, Allah. I am very weak. Rabbi inni maghlubun fantasir. Remember this dua. Rabbi inni maghlubun fantasir. Rabbi inni maghlubun fantasir. Rabbi inni maghlubun fantasir. Recite always this dua. There is no power on earth that can undo Pakistan. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the founder of Pakistan, he said that. And this is true. True to the best of my knowledge and belief.